Number 12a. Solve the given equation by completing square method. 3x squared minus 11x minus 4 is equals to 0. In such a question, what you do, you need to make the coefficient of x squared to be equals to 1. So, to easily do that, we divide through by 3, everything by 3. So, we'll have x squared minus 11 all over 3x minus 4 all over 3 is equals to 0. So what you do at that particular point is you take the constant across the equal sign, negative 4 all over 3. Once it crosses the equal sign, we will have x squared minus 11 all over 3x will be equals to 4 all over 3. It will become positive. Then the next thing is we will complete the square. Complete the square. So to complete the square, we take b all over 2 squared. But remember, b is the coefficient of x, which is negative 11 all over 3. So we'll take negative 11 all over 3, then we divide by 2, then squared. So working out, negative 11 all over 3 divide by 2 is the same as divide by 2 all over 1. You simply multiply by the reciprocal, then you square. So here we'll have negative 11 times 1 is negative 11 all over 6. Then squaring that will give you 121 all over 36. 6 squared is 36. 121 all over 36. So this you add to the left and you also add to the right. So you add on both sides. So we'll have x squared minus 11 all over 3x, then plus 121 all over 36 is equals to 4 all over 3 plus 121 all over 36. 121 all over 36. So what you do, to simplify the left hand side, we factorize. Now we can use a shorter approach because it's now a perfect square. The left hand side is now a perfect square. So we'll say the square root of x squared is x. Then we will use the first sign minus. Then the square root of 121 is 11 and the square root of 36 is 6. So we'll have that squared being equivalent to 4 all over 3, then plus 121 all over 36. So what you do here, you add, then you'll be able to get 169 all over 36. 169 when you add these two all over 36. Then to be able to find the value of x, we first remove the square by finding the square root of both sides. So x minus 11 all over 6 being equals to 169 all over 36. You find the square root of both sides. So square would cancel the square root. So we'll have x minus 11 all over 6. But anytime you're finding the square root here, we'll have a positive and a negative answer. So for this case, the square root of that will give us positive or negative 13 all over 6. Why? Because 169 the square root is 13 and this is 6. So to be able to find the value of x, we will take 11 all over 6 across the equal sign. Taking the positive value, so I'll have positive 13 all over 6. Then negative 11 all over 6, once it crosses, it will be plus 11 all over 6. That would give you 24 over 6, which is equivalent to 4. Then taking the negative answer, x is equal to negative 13 all over 6, then plus 11 all over 6. That will give you negative 2 all over 6, which can be simplified to negative a third. And therefore we can say, hence, x is equals to 4 or x is equals to negative a third.